So PLL stands for permutation of last layer, and it comes after OLL. So in OLL, what we saw is like how to get the yellow stickers, yellow pieces to the top layer like this. And then with PLL, what we'll do is like we will align them to the correct spot, and then we will finish the Rubik's cube, the edges, corners, and everything, yeah, etc., etc. Here in this case, these two pieces needs to be swapped. So in order to do that, what you need to do here is apply this algorithm. So this is an adjacent corner swap case, or you could just call it T-perm. We can, from here, from the right side, you need to go with the algorithm R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. So let's go to the next case. So in this case, what we need to do here is we need to make swap these two places. So this is a diagonal corner swap case here. This piece right here, the yellow, red, and green needs to be here, and this piece needs to be here. So for doing that, what you need to do here is apply this set of formula. From here, I'm going to apply this formula, that is F R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime R U R prime U prime R prime F R F prime. Alright, so in this case there's a solved side here. This is a solved side, but these pieces are messed up. So what you need to do here in this case is like we need to take this edge piece, and then we need to insert it here. These two needs to be swapped. So basically this piece needs to go here, and don't bother about these two pieces. So if this piece needs to go here, then what you need to do here is apply this formula. Here we are going to use M moves here, M2 U, and then M, and again now what you need to do is like U2 M prime U and M2. So here in this case, this piece here needs to go here, and there is a solved side here. So what you need to do here is apply this formula. So here also we'll use the M moves. From here, M2, this piece needs to go here, so we are using U prime M U2, take this piece up here, and M prime, and then U prime and M2. So in this case, these two pieces needs to swap, and these two pieces needs to swap. So from here, these two needs to swap. From here, these two needs to swap. So what we need to do here is apply this formula. M2, U2, M2, U, M2, U2, M2, and U prime. In this case, these two pieces needs to swap, and then here, this two piece needs to swap. So basically, from here these two pieces to swap. So from here what we need to do here is from here M prime U prime M2 U prime M2 U prime M prime U2 M2 U.